Used in Ayurvedic medicine to treat colds, flu and water retention, poor digestion, arthritis and disease. Celery seed has been a part of holistic health for thousands of years. It is commonly used to help the body to eliminate water through the urine, to treat arthritis and gout, reduce menstrual cramps, decrease inflammation and lower blood pressure. The celery plant produces a valuable celery seed essential oil, which is often used in the perfume industry, and which also contains a powerful chemical called apiol. Celery seed helps to regulate blood pressure. It offers antiseptic protection to help preserve food. It can alleviate symptoms of arthritis and gout. It offers antibacterial benefits and it fights infection. And it may help to reduce pain that's associated with menstrual cramps. According to a study conducted at Mashhad University of Medical Sciences in Iran, performed on rats, the effects of different celery seed extracts on blood pressure may offer positive results. In the study, blood pressure and heart rate were monitored on rat subjects that were administered celery seed extracts. The results indicate that the celery seed extract helped to lower blood pressure. It also increased heart rate in hypertensive rats. Ultimately, researchers concluded that the celery seed extract offers anti-hypertensive properties and therefore could benefit those who are struggling with blood pressure regulation. If an all-natural preservative exists, why not use it instead of an unhealthy option? Celery seed may be the perfect answer. India is one country that knows this all too well, since people in India have been using this spice, among others, for hundreds if not thousands of years to preserve food. The University College of Science Department of Biochemistry in India analysed 35 common Indian spices. Among the spices researchers surveyed was celery, clove, cinnamon, bishopsweed, chili, horseradish, cumin, tamarind, black cumin, pomegranate seed, nutmeg, garlic, and onion. What the researchers found was that these common Indian spices have potent antimicrobial activity against the test organism Bacillus subtilis, E. coli, and Saccharomyces cerevisiae. The results also establish the traditional use of these spices as food preservatives, disinfectants, and antiseptics. The focus of a study out of Australia was to establish if the use of functional medicine, such as nutraceuticals, could help to reduce inflammation that's associated with arthritis and gout. Indian celery seed extract was administered to rats and it was combined with New Zealand greenlet mussel. The results found that it was helpful in reducing the inflammation in the rats with the arthritis and gout. According to the study published in Progress in Drug Research, celery seed extract was found to be as effective as ibuprofen and aspirin in reducing the inflammation causing arthritis. Additionally, the study believes that the celery seed is a positive option since it doesn't seem to interact with any existing drugs. Therefore, it may be a great choice of therapy for many inflammatory-related diseases. Celery seed is scientifically known as Apium gravolens, and it's been used for hundreds of years due to its antibacterial benefits. Researchers from Sheffield Hallam University's Biomedical Research Centre in the UK examined a crude alcoholic extract of the celery seeds to test its effects against the Helicobacter pylori and other bacteria. The lab results show that the extract exhibited potent antibacterial effects, leading the researchers to conclude it may be useful for further investigation as a potent agent for treating Helicobacter pylori infections. Celery seed may help with muscle spasms and PMS symptoms, such as menstrual cramps. Some research indicates that celery seed, anise, and saffron may help to reduce pain and the length of discomfort during the menstruation. A randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled study published in the Journal of Midwifery and Women's Health examined the effects of a herbal drug that contained celery seed, saffron, and anise. The extracts were compared to mefinic acid and a control on dysmenorrhea, a condition that results in painful menstrual cramps. There were 180 female students from Isfahan University aged 18 to 27 who participated. They were divided randomly into either the herbal drug group, the mefanic acid group, or the placebo group. After examining the results after 2 to 3 months, it was concluded that both the mefanic acid and the herbal drug effectively relieved the menstrual pain as compared with the placebo, while the group treated with the saffron, celery seed, and yeast extract reduced the pain significantly more than the mefanic acid. Celery can cause some fairly severe allergic reactions, so take caution if you think that you may have a sensitivity. For those who could be affected, it may cause a potentially fatal anaphylactic shock. Celery root or celeriac may contain more allergens than the stalk, but the seeds contain the highest levels of the allergen content. Also, an allergic reaction could be triggered by eating foods that have been processed with machines that have previously processed celery. This seems to be a bigger problem in areas that produce celery seed, such as Central Europe, and they're required to introduce this information in their labels. If you're pregnant or nursing, take extra precaution. While celery is not bad for you, some parts, such as the seed, may be. Stay away from celery seeds. They can lead to uterine bleeding and possible contractions sooner than you desire. Use an Ayurvedic medicine to treat colds, flus, water retention, poor digestion, arthritis disease. Celery seed has been part of holistic health for thousands of years. Research shows that celery seeds' benefits include helping to regulate blood sugar, providing antiseptic properties, and to help to preserve food, alleviating symptoms of arthritis and gout, combating bacteria and infection, and potentially reducing pain associated with menstrual cramps. You can use celery seed in a variety of ways, from perfumes to a variety of dishes, but be aware that celery seeds can be highly allergic to certain people and should be avoided by pregnant women. For more information about herbs, supplements, or various health conditions, check out my website.